natin na-close yung vlog kagabi. Ready na pala kami kasi nga ang ating Saki boy ay merong ganap today. 9:30, right, Zach? 9:30 yung kanyang laro. Ang kakalaban nila nga, sabi sa inyo, is yung nakuhang under 12 last year. So, parang ima-match lang ata sila. So, pero ano siya, game na, kung anong game na, like 4 games, 4 quarters, ganun daw. And also, presentation ng jersey nila sa, yung susuotin nila sa laro talaga, sa game. And yeah, maghapon daw kami doon. Sabi ni Johnny Boy, hinaan ko lang yung mga buhok ko, guys. Ang lawag na buhok. At ang suot natin malamig, tapos uulan. So, nag-leggings lang tayo. Tapos may heat tech ulit ako sa loob. Prepare tayo, guys. Magdadala tayong towel, sana hindi makalimutan. So, yan. Si Holly, nabanggit ko sa inyo ba? Hindi namin isasama kasi yun nga, uulan. And etong camera ni Sisi, hindi ko siya dadalhin kasi ang ginagamit ko naman talaga pag naglalaro si Sak is yung phone. So, iwan natin itong camera dito. So, yung vlog sa labas is gamit ko yung phone. Okay. You ready, yeah? We ready na. Ayan siya. Brush your teeth now, please. Zachary, brush your teeth now, please. Here's the toothbrush here. Si Holly tulog pa. Baka hindi na namin siya gisingin. Alas 8 na. Open the... It's okay. Put your clothes on, Zach. And can you please put all your clothes inside the bag? Who's this one here?
Holly's. Holly, you're not supposed to know that.
Holly. Oh, ayun. Gising na siya. Morning, Holly. No, Baba. Yeah. Huh?
Mom, Dad said,
Huh?
Dad said you don't have to come.
Yeah, that's what she said. Yeah.
What do I wear?
Well, you're wearing it.
I know.
You're getting all your stuff today, this morning.
So I'll go
So
wear
you
that.
probably wear
Not
your
this.
shorts. Just wear them.
Just what? Just
Yeah.
bring that
Wear
one.
the socks or something too. So
Ganun
just,
yung suot ni Jan, yung nabili niya sa Yamba.
just put a jumper on and keep warm for now. Let's go.
Come on.
Holly's always okay.
Mommy, he looks like a horse with that.
Brush your socks. Where's that?
Guess what? You guys just bring him over. Because I'm the only one with that bag, so.
Yeah, I told you to bring your bag. You don't listen to me. What's that noise? Ah, that's the church.
Yeah, you should go.
Yeah. Can you open it for me, please?
The only thing here is the woody shorts. As soon as you've got your gear on, you can go for Really? Yeah. Alright, so boys, you've got your gear on, got your feet. Gear around. Yeah.
Dad, they have to get me stuff. I'm not wearing it.
Yeah.
Go and have a kick, lad. Don't run around too much. Just have a nice kick.
Put your boots on. Huh? Why is that all shit?
shot? Oh, we tried to. But everything.
See you. Good luck.
Yeah. Oh, just make sure that they know.
See you, Dada.
Yeah, right. Just put two of them. There's fine.
Good job. Go, John. Well done, Zaki boy. Go, 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 go. Punch, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yes, yes. Come on, boys. Yes. Good job. Good job. Go, gotta go.
Nice and close, so first group kneel down. Get in nice and close, kneel down. Alright, so Josh, where's Josh? Outstanding, mate. Alright, you played really well today. Alright, just valuing the footy. So you come off and have your break, and Ben, you'll swap at the 7.5-minute mark. When that swap happens, Ben, just tell Will to go to full back. James makes a really good decision with ball in hand, and then Leezy attack Nico, coming off that half-back flank this time. Jonesy starts first gear.
Let's go, boys! What's that?
What we sing should all acquaintance be forgot. Keep your eye on the red blue. Woo!
Okay, boys, can we just get everyone here? Get a photo of you mixed in together. Everyone in here mixed in together. Yeah, tall boys at the back. You gotta mix in to be ready. White's over here, Louis. Next one. Harvey over here. Yeah, can I see your face? You've got to be able to see your face. Parents want to take a photo as well. Okay. On three, Team SA. 1, 2, 3. Team
SA!
1, 2, 3.
Team SA!
Do it again. So parents will take a photo. I really enjoyed this day because I get to see people last year that we coached, and they get an opportunity to play one more game together. And I just love seeing you guys mingle, and I'll see the more bizarre. Alright, we've got trophies we've got to give out to the group last year, and some booklets. You get your booklet today. But I also look forward to watching this year's group. It's your first game. Yep, yeah, it is. When you play
He's got my left arm. So what are you going to planning to do tomorrow?
Well, I've got that car down Murray Bridge
Oh,
next door.
21, presented by Lucas Wakeland. Zachary Howard. Zach is a very reliable player and plays tall for his size. He can take a great pack mark and covers a lot of ground on game days. He's a great tackler and rarely gets beaten one-on-one. Congratulations, Zach. But geez, we've come a long way.
You got me overthinking here where we could be. Needed some clarity. I'm in too deep now. Can't help but picture fantasies. Just you and me, like it's meant to be. Can't you see, baby? You got me overthinking. When you come closer to my body, a delicate touch of instinct, moving slow but my heart's racing, yeah. Your fingers sliding down my chest. What do you want from me? Lately it's been nothing but a mystery. Curiosity has got me wondering if this'll be alright. I want
Hi guys. Kagising niya lang. Ta. Ang ipin na talaga na. Ako rin ang gigil, be.
Grabe na talaga siya. Tapos mas gusto niya yung kaysa sa ganito.
Ayaw niya. So,
Bigyan ko ng banana.
Ayaw niya?
Yeah. Parang gusto niya.
medyo makati kasi yung gums niya. So,
Tapos bigyan mo ng mga matitigas na boy.
Yan niya?
I've got the seasoning here. Let me know if you need help. You don't need help now. You got this. You're pro at this.
Nasal ko siyang mga yung dalawang girls lang naman. Is si Arlo doon? Wala.
Wala, nandito na yun. Pinaano na ko na yung sapatos.
Take that. Is that?
Do you want to cook your food or do you want to cook your food?
We'll just put it in the air fryer.
Are you?
So yeah, don't worry about it.
Okay.
Where's Tito Jen? You know where's Tito Jen? Yeah. Oh, hiya mo yun siya.
Tito John.
Where's Tito Jen? Yeah. Where's Tito Jen? Is that Tito Jen? Tito Jen. Alam mo, pwede na ba siya yung milk? Na yung yogurt? Nagme-milk. Pwede na siya nung yung buttons.
Oo, kaya nga. Gusto nga yun.
Sarap nun, maubos ko yung pag ako nagbantay sa'yo, hati tayo. Yung buttons na yun. Sarap yun, yung yogurt buttons na.
John, do you want to keep these as two or do you want to just flood them or keep them as two or yeah.
Magluto na sila ng barbecue, mag-barbecue ulit sila. Ganun naman ito. Ganun naman sila ng barbecue pag winter. Sus talaga. Yan na, yan ang tainin nila. Ready na ni Danny Boy. Pumunta sila sa butcher ni John. Back to you, Indy.
What do you need, Mama?
Ang puti ni Indy, oh. Nawala na. Back to you, Indy.
Where was that from? I wasn't sure what you used that one for. This one of you? No.
Is that Tito Jen? Nakikipaglaro siya kay Tito Jen.
I don't know what you use that for.
Is that Tito Jen?
Just look.
Open the gate. Open the ano.
Boo.
Tito Jen. Nakikipaglaro siya kay Tito Jen. Tito Jen. Do you like Tito Jen?
Oh, that's a big one.
Do you like Tito Jen's outfit, Papa? Huh? Nah. Yeah, you like it? Yeah. Carry. Di ba sa atin, carry?
Cowboy man yan, cowboy.
Yeah, carry ba?
Bilan mo ng hat. Cowboy hat.
Oo, parang doon siya sa horse. You're gonna ride a horse, no, Beba? Bilis mo naman yan, B. Nagmukbang siya, oh.
Yummy?
Mukbang siya ng ano, mamam.
Yummy?
Boy.
Where's your clock? Shoes, Arlo. Sabi niya, kunin mo na yung
Yeah. Puni na. Mommy. Yeah. Puni ang... Tinatawag yung puni ni Mami. Parang panot. Is that Kuya Zach? High five? High five? High five, Kuya Zach. Ang busy man siya.
Basahin ko lang.
Parang utya. Alam mo yung utya?
Lawayan ko
Alam mo yung
muna.
utya?
Yeah.
Yung, so sabi daw, pag dumikit daw dito, makasalanan. So ako naman, kinikip ko. Siyempre, didikit yun. Kasi pag nabasa, didikit talaga sa ngalangal. Sino naniniwala na pag...
Masarap yun.
Diba?
Masarap kasi konti-konti lang.
Tapos isa lang. Di ba may nabibili? Alam mo yun? Yung medyo makapal lang ng konti. Yung wala rin siyang lasa. Meron pa kaya nun? Meron pa kaya? Hindi, yung hindi sa simbahan, yung saan, yung nabibili na maninipis lang din.
Yung maninigas na.
Oo, na parang utsa-utsa din. Yung medyo makapal na version doon. Na, bilog. Meron pa kaya, no? Ano, wala na, me. Ano na, me? Ayan, me. Yay! Tao ko na talaga. Okay. Bless you!
Bless you!
Bless you, Andy. Bless you. Sarap niya magpa-crunch. Sayang, bunin mo, Ben.
Clappy! Clappy!
Sarap yan, Ben.
Wala yan.
Kaya, banana, ayaw ko ng banana. Sarap, nangingilo ako. Pag ito pinakroll natin, alam na natin kung saan ito pupunta. Alam niyo na yung
Sarap natin.
pag pinakroll natin ito, alam na saan ito. Mayroon na siyang bagong hobby. Meron ka ng hobby, no? Kan, pag kinukuha mo yung mga hindi naman. Meron ka dyan. Kain na sila. Ito, pinakain ko na siya. Nagatas na siya. Hindi niya naubos. Yan na. Tapos na sila magluto. Si Dan, tapos na magluto ng dinner.
Arlo, do you want bread?
Mom, this is mine.
Oh, you want sauce? Kuya Peter, he wants sauce. Dalawang girls, and may pumunta sila dun sa...
Mommy doesn't want to make that one I'm making.
Okay. Nag-paint sila. Ayan sa kanya, penguin. Si Holly andun do. Pinapatuyo niya pa. They're busy. Uh-oh.
This is one, Mom.
Bakit maliit yun sa'yo? So ano yan? iPhone talaga yun? I mean, ako?
Oo, kahit sa regalo ko sa kanya. Nung birthday niya ba yun? Ano ba sa... Oo, maganda nga. Mas gusto ko kasi mas may yung may sack. Ayoko yung may sack. Maganda. Thank you. Kaya ko yung...
This is the hat.
Oh, wow. Did Daddy fix it?
After ka pa.
Mommy, wait, one of the hat. Ta-da! It's a hat.
Ah,
You like my hat?
you like the
Look
hat?
at it. It's a hat. It's like an ice cube. Like the ice cube on its head.
Lalawa ako.
Hi. I want to fly it.
She wrote you a letter so you wouldn't forget her. Wish I could care less. It isn't my place to know what it says. My heart is a front page. It won't act its own age.
si Kuya din daw.
Kuya mo.
Nag-ice cream sila. Naka-second round na si Sak. Ice cream. Tapos hanggang kumain ng busog na kami. Ah! You're done? Yan, Kuya, oh. Tapos na kaming kumain. And si Ayla tsaka si Holly, tinuturuan niya si Ayla ng plus. Tapos siya naman nagdi-divide dyan. Nagmo-muay thai. Mino-muay thai niya si Zach.
And I only learned my fives.
Yeah. Ayan na. Pula-pula na ang likod ni Zach. That's enough. Arlo, that's enough. You won, Meg. That's enough. You won. You won. Yeah, go, Arlo. Ninja fight. Ninja moves. Go. Ayan. Go. Pag lumaki na sila, pakita to. Ninja. Oh no. You got it. Hala, look at the face.
Kasi hindi niya ilala si Kuya kasi good boy.
Good boy, ito daw bad boy. Hindi niya ginagalaw si Kuya eh.
Yeah, that's all.
There's coke there. Oh no! Oh my God! Ayun, sinisave niya si Kuya Teacher. Who are you saving? Ay, si Teacher yung sinisave mo. Save Kuya! Ha! Hoy! Galit siya!
Hello, don't cry.
Galit siya!
You can't cry.
Oh no!
You can't be a flying champion and cry.
Gusto niya siya lang yung makatira.
Oh no. Roll, ninja fight, ninja pose.
Oh no, they're fighting Arlo!
TJ's helping you.
Who are you saving?
Not TJ.
Grabe siya magbug talaga. Magagalit na naman siya.
Why don't you let me fighting back?
You can't be the winner. Yeah. Elbow.
Come on, go! Boom! Yeah, show Tito John, come on!
Dad, look at that.
Oh no! Oh, teacher, don't! Pero galit siya pag... Nagagalit siya pag yan. Uy, dami ko na sinabi, hindi ko na yung mga uli. Guys! Mas mali na kanina. Binaman tayo ni Sisi ng chocolate, hot chocolate. Ang sarap daw nito. Nagsasalita siya, hindi naka-record. Ang dami ko na nakain. Ice cream, tapos chocolate si Dan. Alok ng alok. Alam naman, tanggihan natin. Uy, nag-melt na sa akin.
Meron din siya.
Marshmallow.
Marshmallow na malaki.
Ay, masarap siya kasi hindi siya kang katamay. So ano lang to, milk lang talaga. Tsaka to. Wala na siyang sugar guys, ang sarap.
So bukas bili ako. Sana meron doon. Kasi may hake sa ano yun. Sana meron pang meron.
By pack ba siya?
Oh, tako po.
Pack. So 4 days siya.
4 times lang.
Wala. Ito din mo siya, ito once a week. Para mag-ulan, one.
Hindi, naman sa buka. Hindi na kami chocolate. Medyo ako nito ng ano, bali ng kaapat na pack. Yung nila sa yan. Meron pa akong isang buka.
Ay, masarap. Sarap nito pag sobrang lamig na lamig ka tapos nasa ano ka.
Kaya na.
Yung lid ba? Kasi yung lid, alam mo yung nasa lata? Ay, oo. Ayan lang. Ito yung nilagay ni Sisi, oh. 4 pieces nga.
Ano yan? $15.
Ito, yan. Kasi sa order natin, $8 yun, di ba?
Pero isa nga. Tatlo yung kanina.
Sakit lang talaga. Kasi Tito Jack liwas.